root of 10 into root of 15 is equal to. So before taking it as an MCQ question, your basics should be strong to answer it directly. Looking at the option and you can answer it. So I will go with a scenario wherein you guys don't have good basics. So I'm taking that scenario and I'm showing you guys how to work this out. So we have root 10 and root 15. Clearly they are not prime numbers. Let's express in their prime factor form. So guys, what is 10? 10 is nothing but 5 into 2. Since we are talking about root, I'll take the root of all of this. Okay, so we have this to be root of 5 into root of 2. Why? How did I end up with this particular thing? See, ab whole to the power of n is a to the power of n into b to the power of n. Okay, with this funda, we'll be able to write this. Next, root of 15 can be written as what? 5 into 3 and the root of that. And this would be equal to root of 5 into root of 3. Okay, and now we can go back to the question. Always do this. Maths will become easy provided you solve the problems as part by part, right? So we have the entire solution to be equal to root of 5 into root of 2. Let me use the same colors. So this is root 10 is root of 5 into root of 2 into, you have your root of 15 as root of 5 into root of 3. And so we have root 5 into root 5 as root of 5 the whole square. Okay, into root 2 and root 3 we have root 2 into root 3. Now root and square will get cancelled. So what is this? 5. How is that root and square got cancelled? Learn the basics. Root is nothing but a to the power of half. Now root of any base to raise to some power is nothing but a to the power of n by 2. So here I have taken square root of 11 to the power of 6. So this is 11 to the power of 6 by 2. So instead of 6, if I have 2, what will happen? 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Again, if you're not able to understand, just take this. Instead of 6, put 2, you'll understand. Okay, right? Please learn it that way. If you're not still, if you're finding all of this still to be difficult, learn the exponent part, right? The math basics that is available as math basics under math basics. Go to math basics. Under that you have exponent, right? You guys can watch all the videos. Your basics will get stronger. Now, into root 2 into root 3 is what? Root of 6. Why? This is as per this particular formula, 2 into 3, is it not? Okay, so a to the power of n into b to the power of n is ab whole to the power of n. Roots are nothing but to the power of half basically. Okay, I'll write it over here. One last time, root 2 into root 3 is nothing but 2 to the power of half into 3 to the power of half. So if we have, where is it? Here. If we have two set of numbers with the same power, what can we do with the base? We can multiply the base and raise it to the same power. So that's why we ended up with 2 into 3 is 6 raised to the same power, that is half. And so we ended up with this. So answer is option B. Oh yeah, by the way, people who have good basics, you need not solve it this way. Okay, you can directly do your own faster calculation, not at all an issue. Just that people who find this bit confusing or very confusing, you have to do it this way. Once you do it this way, in time you'll get used to and things will become a lot simpler and a lot faster.